Hello everyone, welcome back to Nahar Global School online video classes. This is class 5th maths class. Now today in this class we are starting new chapter because in previous classes we have completed our chapter number 3 and so today we are going to start chapter number 4, that is fractions. Okay, so before starting to the chapter, let's understand what is a fraction. So what is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. Means अगर हम कोई whole part लिखते हैं और उसका whole का कुछ part लिखें, suppose मैंने लिखा 1 और 1 का half part होगा 1/2, तो 1/2 is a fraction of this whole 1. Okay, so what is fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. It has generally numerator and denominator both. फ्रैक्शन में जनरली न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों होते हैं, ठीक है ना. ऑल्सो फ्रैक्शन आर ऑफ वेरियस टाइप्स, सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड ईच टाइप ऑफ फ्रैक्शन वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट इज प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. सो फर्स्ट इज प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. नाउ व्हाट इज प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन? A proper fraction is that fraction in which numerator is smaller than denominator. Means इसमें numerator जो है, numerator this NR is indication for numerator. Okay, numerator is smaller, जिसमें numerator छोटा होगा, smaller होगा than denominator. Numerator is smaller than denominator. As an example, I can write 1/3, 3/6, 2/7 and many more. Okay? Clear? इन सभी में आप देख सकते हैं that numerator is less than compared to denominator. So this is our proper fraction. Similarly, another type of fraction is improper fraction. This is improper fraction. Now what is improper fraction? Improper fraction is just opposite to proper fraction. In proper fraction we have numerator is smaller, but in improper fraction we have denominator is smaller than numerator. Okay, so in this denominator is smaller than numerator. You can also write it as numerator is greater than denominator. You can also write it as जिसमें numerator क्या होगा? Greater. Numerator is greater than denominator. As an example, we can write it here. Suppose 7/3, 8/6, 9/4, 4/1 and etc. Many more. Okay. In each of the example you can see that denominator is greater than numerator. So it is our improper fraction. Next comes mixed fraction. Next is our mixed fraction. Now what is mixed fraction? So mixed fraction is a combined form of whole and the proper fraction. Means अगर मैं combined form लिखूँ एक whole और proper fraction का, तो that is our mixed fraction, right? So it is the combined form of whole and proper fraction. Clear? As an example, I can write it as 2. Now whole, this is whole. Okay, and also we have to write proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Which has numerator less than denominator. Clear? So 2 1/3. This is our whole part and this is our proper fraction. When we combine them, then this whole becomes our mixed fraction. You can also convert it into improper fraction. How? just simply multiply these two. 3 2s are 6 and add this numerator to them. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 3. You can also convert it into improper fraction by just simplifying this whole number. How you can simplify it? Just multiply these two numbers and add this numerator to the product of these. Okay, so this is example of mixed fraction. 2 1 by 3. We can also write 4 2 by 9 and etc. many more. Clear? ऐसा कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन जिसमें एक होल भी हो और एक प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन हो, उस पूरे कॉम्बिनेशन को यानी उस पूरे कंबाइंड फॉर्म को हम बोलते हैं मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. क्लियर? सो ये बेसिकली 3 टाइप्स के प्रॉपर, इम्प्रॉपर और मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शंस मैंने आपको समझाए. ऑल्सो देर आर 2 more टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस. One is like fraction. Like fraction, those fractions which have the same denominator. ऐसे fractions जिनका denominator same हो उसे हम बोलते हैं like fractions. And those fractions which have different denominators, जिनका denominator different हो उन्हें हम बोलेंगे अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस. ओके, लाइक और अनलाइक दोनों टाइप के जो फ्रैक्शंस हैं वो भी फ्रैक्शन के बेसिकली जो टाइप्स होते हैं उसी में आता है. तो 1 2 3 ये 3 टाइप्स के. इसके बाद फोर्थ है लाइक फ्रैक्शन. फोर्थ वन इज लाइक फ्रैक्शन जिसमें सेम डिनोमिनेटर्स हो. ओके, लाइक फ्रैक्शंस जिसमें सेम डिनोमिनेटर हो. एज एन एग्जाम्पल आई कैन राइट 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 8 by 7 and so on. You can see that the denominator of each fraction is same 7, right? Similarly our 5th type is unlike fractions. Unlike fractions in which denominator is different, like 2 by 5, 3 by 8, 1 by 7 and many more, etc. 3 examples are enough. Clear? So these are basically 5 types of fractions. Each type of fraction you have to keep in mind that whether it is proper, whether it is improper, whether it is mixed or like or unlike. Clear? Now in this video I have explained you fraction and its types. This is our introduction video of chapter number 4. Before proceeding to exercise 4.1 you have to see this whole video so that you will better understand exercise 4.1. Clear? Thank you everyone.